The song is What Do We Do When We Have No Money? And here it goes. What will we do when we have no money? Oh, true lovers, what will we do then? Only walk around the town for the hungry old crowd. And we'll yodel it over again. And what will we do if I marry a tinker? Oh, true lovers, what will we do then? Only tin can and walk on with my man, and we'll yodel it over again. And what will we do if I marry a soldier? Oh, true lovers, what will we do then? Only handle his gun and walk on farther far, and we'll yodel it over again. And what will we do if I have a young daughter? Oh, true lovers, what will we do then? Only throw me back and walk on for the back, and we yodel it over again. So what will we do when we have no money? Oh, true lovers, what will we do then? Only walk around town for the hungry old crowd, and we'll yodel it over again. And we'll yodel it over again. And we'll yodel it over again. Yee-hoo! So So you might have heard some yodeling. And I have to show it to you now. We're still distancing ourselves. But that's the wonderful Claudia Schwab over there, who lives in my attic upstairs. She's doing her own broadcast every night, lullabies at 9:15. If you check Claudia Schwab's site and you want something to help you sleep tonight, beautiful songs from around the world. So in a few days we won't be distancing anymore. So for the moment she's 2 yards away, so I can't bring her over to this particular camera. But that was Claudia Schwab. And the answer to all our problems, folks, just a quick old yodel and you'll be grand. So thanks for joining me. I really do appreciate it. It's lovely to have you out there. Hello, Megan. Hello, Lorenzo. Hello, Shifra. That's my niece in Dublin. They're all tuned in from all over the world. It's been a pleasure. I'll see you tomorrow at 5 o'clock. And send in your requests, post your videos.